Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well, and as you read by the title, this week's video is no makeup look, and I created this look and it's very simple. This is my go-to makeup look. I don't use too much foundation, too much concealer when I'm using this look. Every product is very minimal, and I didn't use lashes, I didn't use a wing liner. I created a very tiny eyeliner. Very simple, subtle colors. And from the last week video, I told you I'm gonna use the products and I'm gonna tell you my honest reviews. I used the hair mask. I actually threw it away because I had to use the entire bottle because my hair is long. I had to use the entire thing, but it was Foxy Bay Don't Hate, Hydrate Replenishing Hair Mask. I will leave the name right here. And it smells so good, and it actually gives your hair a strength. I don't know how to tell you, but I feel like my hair is strong. I straightened my hair today. Usually when I straighten my hair, I feel like it's so thin, but today I feel like my hair is like really strong. I don't know, is it because of that, but I didn't change anything. I did the normal routine, but I feel like my hair is a little stronger than usual. So I like that product. That is the first time that I used a hair mask, and I'm planning to buy it. And next one is this Tatcha water cream. I've been using this entire week and I love this product. It's not tacky, it's not oily. This product is really good. You don't feel like you're wearing anything. And the next one is this Honey Jarrett Clean Whip Cleanser, and I used this product last week. I couldn't smell this. This smells amazing, and this product little goes a very long way. You don't need a lot, you need a very tiny bit. So I don't have any bad review on this product as well. And that's it for the reviews, and I hope you enjoyed this makeup look. If you want to know how I got this look, keep on watching. So I already used this Tatcha water cream, so I'm gonna move on to Maybelline Master Prime. Since this is a no makeup look, I wanted to go with a medium coverage, not a full coverage foundation. So I'm gonna use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 340. It's called Cappuccino. And also, as always, I'm gonna use this E.L.F foundation in the shade Caramel as well. Key is to not to cake up your foundation. So when you put your foundation, it has to be like it's your skin. Like right now, I feel like it's my skin. I feel like my skin can breathe. So if you have darkness around your mouth or any dark patches, I recommend you use a little bit of color corrector before you put the foundation, because you're using a very light coverage foundation, and also you're not putting too much, so your darkness can tend to come through the foundation. So use a color corrector a little bit. I don't have that problem. I do have some dark spots, but once I put the foundation, it's gonna disappear. So this is good for me. So I'm gonna use this NARS Caramel Concealer to conceal my under eyes and my T-zone. But when it's come to my under eyes, I'm not gonna put too much. I'm gonna put only the amount that I needed. So I'm gonna set my under eyes and my T-zone with this Kat Von D translucent powder. The key is not to bake your under eyes. I never bake my under eyes, so this is not something new for me. But if you wanted to do a no makeup look, don't bake your under eyes, just apply and wipe it away. And I'm gonna use this Laura Mercier translucent powder to powder the rest of my face, but as always, use a very little bit. So I'm gonna fill my eyebrows with L'Oreal gel eyeliner. So with this product, don't use a little bit, fill your eyebrows, because eyebrows always give you a more put together look. Even though it's a no makeup look, fill your eyebrows right, otherwise you look weird. So my eyebrows are done, and I didn't mess up my eyebrows, so I'm not going to clean my eyebrows. But if you feel like you messed up your eyebrows, clean it with a brush like this, get some concealer and clean it. And next I'm gonna use this Maybelline brow gel to set my eyebrows in place. Next, I'm gonna move on to eyeshadow, and I wanted to keep it like more pink, so I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette to create an eyeshadow look. I still don't know which colors that I'm using. Let's see. So I'm gonna use this shade as a transitioning shade. Literally all over my eyelid and my crease. Be sloppy as possible, because it doesn't matter. So the next shade that I'm gonna use is this. I'm gonna use that on the crease. Keep it only to the crease and don't go all the way in. And I'm gonna use this shade on my eyelid. This is a glittery shade, but I'm not gonna spray any setting spray or any facial mist into my brush. That way your glittery shade is gonna be like super glittery on your eyes. I don't want that. I wanted to keep it subtle, so I'm not gonna do that. And I'm keeping the inner corner out of it because I wanted to use another color. Next, I'm gonna take this shade and put this on the inner corner of my eyelid. Eyeshadow is pretty much done, and it's very simple, very easy, all like pink shades, so that's done. This is very optional. You don't need eyeliner, especially not a wing liner. I'm not gonna do a wing liner today. I'm gonna go very close to my lash line and then create a little bit of a line. That's it, but it's optional. You do not need this. And oh, I forgot one more thing. The same shade that you used on your crease, go underneath your borderline. So no falsies today because it is a no makeup look. So I'm gonna use this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Eyes are done. Contour. You can skip the contour part and use blush and highlighter and lipstick and move on. I'm gonna use a little bit of contour because I don't have a nose. I have a very tiny nose and I kind of wanted to cut my cheekbones as well. So I'm gonna use my E.L.F contour palette as always. I'm not gonna contour my forehead. I'm gonna leave it like that. I mainly wanted to focus on my cheekbones and my nose. Blush. When it's come to no makeup look, blush is your friend because blush gives you a more natural look. So use much as you want. Not like a clown. I hope you get the idea. I hope you don't get the wrong idea. Let me show you. I wanted to mix blush. I wanted to create a color in between these two colors, so I'm gonna use a little bit of both. Next I'm gonna use this Bobbi brown highlighter. And for lip liner, I'm going to use NYX Espresso lip liner. So for lipstick, 3 lipsticks. I love to mix lipstick. I love to mix foundation. So I'm not sure I'm going to use this. I definitely wanted to mix this one. This is the Smashbox lipstick, like a bronzy color lipstick. I will leave the name below. And I wanted to mix this with this Kylie lipstick in the shade 20. Is it 20? Yes, 20. And use a little bit of E.L.F lip gloss. I'm not sure I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this too. And if I feel like it, I'm gonna use this. Nope, I'm not gonna use this E.L.F lip gloss. I'm gonna go like this. Oh, I almost forgot. I forgot to highlight my inner corners. So my makeup is finished. So I'm gonna use this Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. So this is the finished look. I used a rose gold necklace and I used a little bit of highlighter on my collarbone. Other than that, I didn't change anything. So this is what I created. No makeup look. So this is usually my go-to makeup look because I don't have time. So this is what I created, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below what do you think about this video, and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. and turn on your post notifications so whenever I upload a video, you'll get notification.